Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and the Windows build. This matters for available fixes. Next, attempt Win plus X or search to launch PowerShell. EXE. Observe whether it fails silently or throws an error. If a previous instance is hung, open Task Manager and end any PowerShell. EXE or PWSH processes, this can clear a lock. Once done, try launching again so you can see the exact failure behavior and choose the right repair path. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano. If problems persist, use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair component store. These fix corrupted system files PowerShell depends on. Once those finish, re-register PowerShell binaries or try launching PWSH no profile to bypass user scripts. Also inspect your execution policy and the profile script at $profile. A bad profile can abort startup. If security software or app locker rules are present, temporarily disable or review them to ensure PowerShell is not blocked. If PowerShell still won't open, reinstall PowerShell Core, PWSH, or re-enable the Windows PowerShell optional feature through settings right arrow optional features. This restores missing binaries. Create a fresh user account to quickly determine if the issue is profile specific, because new accounts start with default profiles. Finally, check Event Viewer under Windows Logs, right arrow Application and System for PowerShell-related error entries. These logs often contain the exact exception or code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.